First up, let's begin with a breaking update of what we are getting to know, and this is coming in on part of Tamil Nadu in the state, where Chief Minister Vijay will be meeting MDMK Chief Vaiko at the latter's residence in Anna Nagar around 3 p.m. as it is being said, and the Chief Minister is likely also to call upon the former Chief Minister Stalin at his residence post the assembly proceedings. So this seems to be back-to-back meetings that are now being planned, and these developments are coming from Tamil Nadu as far as the first day in office of Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Vijay is concerned. He now seems to be meeting several other parties as well. Now in the position as far as the opposition is concerned is DMK, and we are expecting that Vijay will also be meeting DMK Chief Stalin at his residence post the assembly proceedings. Let's connect with Dharani on this. So Dharani, what are we getting to know back-to-back meetings post today's session? Who all will Vijay be meeting today?
Well, after the assembly proceedings today, Chief Minister Vijay will be meeting former Chief Minister and DMK President M.K. Stalin, and he will also be meeting MDMK Chief Vaiko is what we are learning at this point in time. And in fact, we got to catch up with TVK MLA Mario Wilson a short while back here in Tamil Nadu Assembly. He says that it is part of Tamil culture to go meet the seniors. And Vijay is trying to follow the Tamil culture. He wants to have a courtesy call with M.K. Stalin and Vaiko, as they are seniors in Tamil Nadu politics, is what this particular TVK MLA Mario Wilson has told Times Now. So definitely it's a very important development, because for almost 2 years now, since he launched this political party, Tamil Nadu Vettri Kalagam, Vijay has been reiterating that the contest in 2026 here in Tamil Nadu is all about DMK and TVK. It is a DMK versus TVK battle. Now, after winning the election and after taking oath as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Vijay is going to have a courtesy meet with M.K. Stalin at the latest residence. And we're also learning at this point in time that leader of opposition Udayanidhi Stalin and senior leaders from the DMK like Shekhar Babu and E.V. Velu, they've already arrived at M.K. Stalin's residence, and they will also be accompanying the Chief Minister, former Chief Minister, during this meeting is what we are learning at this point in time. So definitely all eyes will be now on that crucial meeting between Vijay and M.K. Stalin.
So Chief Minister and the former Chief Minister are expected to meet as when the proceedings in the assembly get done. However, former Chief Minister Stalin did not make an appearance yesterday when Chief Minister Vijay was being sworn in, but remains to be seen how this meeting progresses. Please do stay on with us, Dharani. We have another important update coming in, because as we are awaiting the meeting between Chief Minister Vijay and former Chief Minister Stalin, we are getting to know as far as significant announcements that has been made right after the oath-taking ceremony that happened yesterday, and especially what has now been directed at the immediate political rival, which is the DMK. Now, Chief Minister Vijay said that a white paper on the state's finances for 2021-2026 period would be released.
So அதெல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு ஒரு வெள்ளை அறிக்கையா அது வெளியிடணும்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன். ஒரு டிரான்ஸ்பரண்டான ஒரு கவர்மெண்டா, அதாவது இன்னைக்கு நம்ம தமிழ்நாடு கவர்மெண்ட் இந்த நிலைமையில தான் இருக்கு அப்படின்றத உங்ககிட்ட சொல்லிட்டு I just want to take it forward from there. அதான் நான் முதல்ல செய்யணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
All right. Dharani, coming back to you on that, because, Chief Minister Vijay had also claimed that the state's finances were in a depleted condition, that it was under a lot of debt. However, there is also a response that has now come in from the former Chief Minister on this statement.
Mr. Vijay has told that he will soon be releasing a white paper on Tamil Nadu's current situation in terms of finances and other aspects. He says that Tamil Nadu is currently facing a 10 lakh debt, and it is because of the previously ruled governments, which includes both the DMK and the ADMK. And he says that he wants to release a white paper and make it very clear the kind of situation that Tamil Nadu is in right now in terms of debt, finances and other aspects. And he says that he wants to take the governance forward after this. That is the statement that is coming from Chief Minister Vijay. It is very interesting because earlier for the past 60 years when both the DMK and the ADMK ruled Tamil Nadu, either of them they never released any white paper about each other's governance. So this will be the first time in Tamil Nadu's political history, at least, for a Chief Minister to release a white paper about the governance of the previous political parties and the current situation of Tamil Nadu in terms of finances and other aspects. So we have to wait and see how the white paper is going to look, and what are all the issues that are going to be mentioned in that white paper. And definitely the TVK is calling this a revolutionary move. They say that Mr. Vijay wants to run a transparent government. He wants to run a
he sought for more time there, but saying that all of the promises is going to be fulfilled, of course, as far as his pictures that came in, sitting in his office, sitting in his seat, and now taking the oath as the MLA. Of course, all of those leaders within the assembly proceedings that has been taking place since morning. Please to stay on with us, Harini. There is another interesting angle. There is another twist that is now coming in, and this is on part of the other political party, which is the AIADMK. A big scoop that we are picking up, because there seem to be some supporters of the TVK within the AIADMK camp. Now, according to sources, what we are learning, that one group that is led by EPS and the other one is led by senior leaders like CV Shanmugam, and they arrived separately in the assembly to take oath. Now, sources indicate that some of the pro-TVK AIADMK MLAs could either support the TVK government or abstain during the upcoming confidence vote that is expected before 13th of May. So, Dharini, interesting development there. As far as what is now being said, and earlier what was being projected, that certain leaders within the AIADMK camp wanted their leader to proceed to have an alliance with Vijay's TVK. Now, that didn't happen. However, most of the MLAs from different political parties were camped up in different resorts. However, it seems that Dharini, now that the TVK government is in force, is there likely to be a split within the AIADMK? What are we learning?
Well, at the moment, there seems to be a vertical split in the AIADMK. One faction of MLAs under Edapadi Palaniswamy, around 17 of them, they don't want to have any kind of relationship with Vijay Tamilaka Vetri Kalagam. On the other hand, another faction of MLAs, around 30 of them, they are behind CV Shanmugam. They are rallying behind CV Shanmugam, and they want to have some sort of a relationship with Tamilaka Vetri Kalagam. They want to extend support to TVK during the vote of confidence that is supposed to happen on or before coming Wednesday. So the faction under CV Shanmugam, they feel that Edapadi Palaniswamy is not a capable leader, because since 2019, since EPS took charge as General Secretary of AIADMK, the party has lost every single election, be it local body elections or the parliamentary elections or the assembly elections. Every single election has been lost by the AIADMK since Edapadi Palaniswamy took charge. So this faction of MLAs under CV Shanmugam, they feel that he is not a capable leader, and with him the AIADMK will not win any elections, and AIADMK has no good future under him, is what they feel, and they either need a change in leadership or they want to extend support to Vijay. This is the demand coming in from him. On the other hand, Edapadi Palaniswamy, he is refusing to abide by any of these point of views. He is refusing to in fact pay heed to any of these point of views, and he is refusing to abide by the demands that is coming in from the CV Shanmugam camp, and so it looks like there is a vertical split in the AIADMK at the moment. And in fact, even in the assembly today, we couldn't see the MLAs from both these factions speaking to each other. We couldn't see these MLAs coming in and going out together. So it is widely, it's publicly out. So let's wait and
very
see how all this
very interesting. So as far as the story coming in from Tamil Nadu, full of twists and turns, remains to be seen what happens in the assembly. But of course, when it comes to today, we are expecting meetings with the MDMK chief. We are expecting meetings with former Chief Minister M.K. Stalin. So all of these meetings that will be taking place on part of the new Chief Minister Vijay. Thank you, Dharini, for that update.